How functional medicine can help with anxiety. Now, anxiety can be crippling and really terrible, but in addition to obviously going to a psychologist, a psychotherapist, and help deal with the emotional side of things and removing those triggers and processing those patterns, functional medicine helps at looking the underlying biology so that you can make and incorporate those changes. So for example, if your brain is inflamed, then it's really hard for you to make the cognitive behavioral changes. You need enough serotonin, dopamine, GABA to be calm, happy, motivated. If you don't have those neurotransmitters in the brain or not enough of them, then it can be really hard for you to make those changes. And some of the underlying factors can be inflammation that is kind of draining away the precursor of serotonin, so you're not making enough in the body. It can also mess with our bodies and our brain's ability to degrade histamine, or it can produce too much histamine. For example, histamine is excitatory. It can keep us in that ruminating loop, being very agitated. It's very common, I see that. So dealing with what's causing that inflammation, what's causing too much histamine in the body, like gut microbiome problems, chronic infections, food intolerances, they can all help with that. Also, if you don't get the right precursors to make those calming, happy, productive neurotransmitters, then it's also very hard to do cognitive behavioral therapy and be calmer. And the most common precursors are protein building blocks. So you need tryptophan, you need those kinds of things that you find in protein-rich foods. And then you need minerals and vitamins to help turn the protein building blocks into the actual neurotransmitters, into the dopamine, into the serotonin, to make you calm, to make you happy, make changes in your lifestyle, in your behavior. So those are some of the ways of how functional medicine can help anxiety, can help mood, mental health, and really it goes hand in hand with psychotherapy, but it just helps balance out the biology so that the brain is calmer and you can actually make those changes much more easily.